Our last Swedish contestant, Tenkou, is looking forward to showing us her performance and goofing up with the other contestants backstage. She says that cosplay wouldn't be anything without the community behind it.
My name is Miranda. I'm also known as Tenkou Cosplay, and this year I am representing Sweden. I'm gonna cosplay as Harley Quinn from the video game Injustice 2. Harley Quinn is a pretty well-known character, but I chose her because I can really see myself within this character. She is kind of crazy and you don't really know what to expect. She's both very happy, crazy, and she can also be very angry. In the game Injustice 2, she has actually lost her lover, who is the Joker or Mr. J, and she doesn't really know how to handle that loss. So I actually made this costume for the Swedish Cosplay Championship, or Cosplay SM, and then I've upgraded it for the NCC with 200 more hours of work. By that I've also upgraded both of my pistols, and I've actually airbrushed all of my red fabric, since it's very difficult to find a specific hue of wine red in pleather. When you see me on stage, I am in Harley Quinn's bedroom. She's trying to handle the loss of Mr. J, and she doesn't really want to accept that he's actually gone. She thinks that he's gonna come back for her and they're gonna keep on living their life. But how she handles that, you'll find out soon.
Mr. J, you came back! Mr. J?
You'll be back, soon you'll see. You remember you belong to me. You'll be back, time will tell. You remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love. Da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 da. You say our love is draining and you can't go on. You'll be the one complaining when I am gone. And no, don't change the subject, 'cause you're my favorite subject. My sweet, submissive subject. My loyal, royal subject. Forever and ever and ever, ever, ever. I'll love you till my dying days. When you're gone, I'll go mad. So don't throw away this thing we had. 'Cause when push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family to remind you of my love. Da 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 da.